What's up, y'all? Kaizen. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to be going over my trading for today. And I should be able to request a payout from Topstep, or will be able to, because this is the fifth day of making at least 200. So I should be able to request at least half of it, unless the rules have changed or something. So first, let's go over the trading part. Number one, why did I take this trade today? As I always say, I start on the daily or the higher time frames. So let me go to the daily. Obviously, we're in an uptrend on the daily. On the 4 hour, we're still in the uptrend technically. But on the hourly, it looks like we're coming down, right? So when I was looking at the 15-minute before market open, and I'm looking in the past, I'm looking at what happened yesterday. So what happened yesterday? We had this huge sell-off, right? From 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Cool. Now, why do I have this area marked up? I have this area marked up as a support slash resistance area simply because when price was dropping and coming down, this was the last time price made a decent or huge move up. So since this made a decent huge move up, that let me know buyers were in this area. So when price came back to this area, we were either going to do two things. We were either going to keep selling off because we were like in a mini downtrend, or we was going to push up a little bit more. What happened? We ended up breaking through. We had a huge sell-off, right? So what did price do? So I expected price basically to fill in this gap. So fill in this large area. And we didn't fill in the entire area. Let me draw a box. We didn't fill the entire area, but we did end up filling up to like 50% thing. Now I'm sounding like an ICT trader. But anyways, we filled this area because it happens a lot in the market, obviously. But we got to the same support area that became resistance that we broke through, or support that we broke through, but now it has became resistance. So when the 15-minute candle came, the 8:15 candle, it was either going to do two things. We were either going to push up and break out of this and push up higher and make a new high, or we were going to reject this area. So we came up here, we rejected, and then what happened? We ended up selling off. Now, where did I actually enter the trade? I entered the trade right here, right at the break of this bullish candle wick. And the reason I do that is because I want confirmation. So along with the 9 EMA and 21 EMA, and I'm saying this because I don't really use these. I just have them on a chart. I'm mainly trading price action. But there's more confirmation that we're selling off, like we kind of are now. But we might be pushing up in a little bit. But once it broke this candle wick, this bullish candle wick, I knew I was going in for a sale, and it sold off, right? But if you ever want to like clean this stuff up, just go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour is clear. We came up, we rejected, and I also saw this huge wick on the 1 hour, so it kind of gave me more confirmation. And price may come all the way down here, but I don't stay in trades long. I like to get in and get out, which is something I probably need to work on. But anyways, so here's my trading stats. We're up 2K, 60% win rate. I need to fix that, but I think that's because of NQ when I trade one NQ contract. So obviously, the average loss would be bigger than the average win. If it was just tracking micros, my average win would be better. Profit factor 1.37 to so 7,000 to 5,000. Okay, cool. All right. So my average win duration is 2 minutes. Like I said, I'm not staying in long. I'm getting in with micros, and I might enter with one contract. My best trade is 472. Worst trade 405. This is from today. No, my bad. This is from the last 5 days. 5 days of trading. So 368, 582, 1K, 1500, 2K. I've said this before in previous videos. Is that you don't need to get like these home run days where 1,000 here on 17, 1,000 here on the 18, 1,000 on the 20. Bro, you can literally start out just taking profit at like 300, 200, another 200. So this was 368. This was like 214, one of my worst trading days. But the next day was my best trading day, right? So you don't need to aim for 1,000 a day, because oftentimes when I've tried to aim for a certain number, I remember when I was trying to aim for like 1,500 a day, my greed got out of control and I ended up blowing accounts. You just need to get small wins, and then those small wins stack up, right? So these are the last 5 days. It says 26 trades because I was trying to scale in, but that's really not a lot of trades because I'm trading micros. People got to understand, if you're new to trading futures, with micros, you have to trade with more size simply because the contract size is smaller. So it's a great way for risk management, but to make more on the move, first of all, it has to be a decent size move. Number two, you have to scale in. So I may start with 2 micros, but as price moves in my direction, I'm adding another 2. So then it becomes 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And then it goes up. The more I see price move in my direction, the more I scale in micros. So like I said, 26 trades, it's really just me adding on to one move, more contracts into one move or whatever. But as you can see, 12 trades, 26. My worst trading days were Thursday and Friday. And I'm still up 2K. So, like I said before, I'm going to request a payout. I'll probably post it in the little community tab or post tab or whatever. But yeah, that's it. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and got some value from it. See you guys next time. Peace.